Thank you. Welcome to press, media, electronic media. This is the first press meet we are holding today in our new office, the office of INPT, central office. We are sorry we could not display our signboard outside because there is no space. And we are trying to find out some way so that we can display our signboard. You are aware about the present issue of ADC action. So we also preparing for our steps. And for that we have been trying to develop ourselves so that we can also have alliance with some regional parties. As such, we have been invited by Maharaj Project Kishore Manika for line, and we have responded timely. There has been some other misunderstanding that we have not supported the greater triple lane. Because I remember almost 1 year before, there was some discussion about the triple lane. IPFT have raised this triple lane issue, we know it, but they have discontinued demanding this issue. But we feel for our greater integration of indigenous population in Tripura, we want to include all the indigenous population inhabited area into the 6 scheduled areas. As such, when TAB signed a code, there is a provision of inclusion and exclusion of areas of autonomous district council. As such, there had been development, and there was a commission of 2 men to include certain areas where indigenous population is totally compact, like Darchoy, Bedchora, Kulai Gontachora, and several other areas in the Sadar, and that Bagbasa, the Zoita, Halam area, and Nogam, other places also, were outside 6 schedule. But because of this TNBA code, all these 210 villages have been included into ADC areas. So these were our experience and our footsteps. So now when this triple lane issue came, we suggested it should be greater triple lane, including the police compound. Tripura is never a Tripura without police compound, because Tripura was ruled for several hundreds of years by kings, crown kings in the throne, when they judged these cases. So that was our first suggestion. Therefore somebody tried to just ignore it, and they want to make some misunderstanding amongst ourselves that INPT was supporting greater triple lane. So yesterday we categorically, we have already explained and we have already stated inside police that INPT had no problem. We are very free to support this greater triple lane unconditionally. So we did it, and we have some other, our own party's demand that is different. For our alliance with Tripura, if they have some more explanation, which we have already done yesterday also. So by this time I believe they have understood it. So we have no problem for electoral alliance with Tripura. Now the rest issues is at their hand, and the issue relating to our INPT, we have our own demands, like NRC to be implemented, and citizenship amendment we are opposing, and Inner Line and Cockbrook under 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution and land restoration. And certain local demands are there for the development of our indigenous population, including others also. So I believe we have been able to make our stand very, very clear. And today also we have invited our colleagues. They have also opined the same way. And there is no questions of misunderstanding among ourselves. And there had been some invitation from various corners. And in the meantime, some people are not happy, so they join some other party. Those who want to join INPT, they used to join INPT also. This kind of traveling and transportation among themselves is going on. You know, before election is happening, there are certain activities where we cannot control. It is the democratic land, so people are exercising their own constitutional right in their own way. Today, we have a clear-cut decision that if TIPRA wants, and we have already explained yesterday, and we have no other issues as such, there will be some impediment in the way which can disturb our ongoing system, ongoing formalities. Not the rest, I will ask the General Secretary, Assistant General Secretaries to say in Cockbrook and in Bangladesh. Thank you too.
So that IPFT also aligned with this TIPRA.
That particular issue is very, very strange to us. We have not gone through all this, I think, all the conditions, what they have done it, because it has been done in between TIPRA and the IPFT. IPFT may have their own way because they are already aligned with the BJP National Party. Now, what is the understanding? We don't know. I think you can also kindly ask them how it's possible that one is already with the National Party, and that National Party is the ruling party. And centrally ruling parties in state also the ruling party. So what caused them, what commanded them to come and align with TIPRA party is very strange to everybody, including you also. So the best way will be not from us, but from you. You should ask them. And to us, it is quite strange, and we are really trying to understand what may happen. So it may also depend our strategy, but we don't say it is possible or not possible. Everything in politics possible if we can have understanding also. We can have certain explanation also why this is happening. So Maharaj may be able to give details of it, or this IPFT leadership may also give its details.
No, actually the demand of that Maharaja is the greater Tripura. So your party is supporting this demand?
Yes, we have already declared yesterday also. We are supporting.
So why are you not aligned with this party? What is the
Which party?
I mean, the TIPRA alliance with this TIPRA.
No, we have already, I think almost 2 weeks back we have already. 2 weeks before we have already said that we are ready.
Okay.
So now it's depend on Maharaj Pradesh Kishore. You can ask him whether he's still waiting some other explanation or not. We don't know. But as such, we feel it is clear on our stand that we are ready to align.
That means from your side that you are ready to alliance with this party.
Yeah.
We are already submitting a paper also
Okay.
to the governor. Our MCG conference has taken a decision. INPT for forthcoming ADC election is ready to fight with align with TIPRA. শীতলা মাতা। আমরা যথারীতি গোবাংলাকে লিখিতভাবে ইনফরমেশন দিয়েছি এবং সাথে সাথে আমাদের মধ্যে আলোচনা এখন চলছে। আমরা গোবাংলার সিদ্ধান্তের অপেক্ষায় আছি। উই আর অলওয়েজ ইন ফেভার অফ গোবাংলা।
এখনো ফাইনালাইজ হয়নি।
যদিও আমরা গোবাংলাকে জানিয়েছি, গোবাংলার একটা আবেদন ছিল, গোবাংলার একটা আপিল ছিল, সেই আপিলটাকে আমরা যদিও দলীয়গতভাবে সিদ্ধান্ত নিতে পারি না, আইএনপিটি সংগঠনকে ইনটেক রেখে, আইএনপিটি সংগঠনকে অতুল রেখে গোবাংলার সঙ্গে আমরা জোট করে নির্বাচনে লড়াই করতে চাই, নট ফর অনলি ফর কামিং এডিসি ইলেকশন, ইভেন 2023-এর বিধানসভা নির্বাচন এবং আগামী দিনেও যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত এই রাজ্যে সত্যিকারের ভূমিপুত্র জনজাতিদের তাদের স্বাধিকার আদায় না হয় ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আমরা অপবদ্ধ লড়াই করতে চাই। বিগত দিনেও আপনারা দেখেছেন আইপিএফটি আইএনপিটি যৌথভাবে সংগ্রাম করেছে, এই আর কি।
আচ্ছা, একটা বিষয় হচ্ছে আপনাদের একজন কি লিডার বলা যেতে পারে, যিনি অনিমেষ দেববর্মা আইএনপিটি দল ত্যাগ করেছে, এই বিষয়ে অ্যাজ এ প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ দ্য আইএনপিটি হোয়াট ইজ ইউর রিঅ্যাকশন?
We have no reaction. He had submitted his resignation.
You accepted
We have gone through it. We say this is very democracy. So he didn't like to remain here. He want to join there. We have no problem.
You accepted this resignation?
Yes, because we have to accept. He had already joined there.
Okay.
দেখুন, প্রত্যেক দলেরই একটা নিয়ম নীতি রয়েছে, তার সাংগঠনিক গঠনতন্ত্র রয়েছে। বিগত এক বছরও হয়নি অনিমেষ দেববর্মা আইএনপিটি গঠন হওয়ার পর রাজ্যবাসী সকলেই জানেন এই রাজ্যের 35 বছরের উপজাতি যুব সমিতি নামক একটি আঞ্চলিক দল অবলুপ্তি করে প্রথম ত্রিপুরায় 1997 সালে আইপিএফটি সংগঠন জন্ম হয় সদর উত্তরের গামছাকবরা পাড়ায়। আমাদের বর্তমান মাননীয় সভাপতি, ওনার বিগত অতীত ইতিহাস সবাই জানে। 1988 সালে 12 অগাস্ট রাজীব গান্ধীর সঙ্গে কেন্দ্র সরকার, টিএনবি, ত্রিপুরার জোট সরকার, তেটি সুধীর মজুমদার, ভিকে রানকর, রাজীব গান্ধী তাদের মধ্যে ত্রিপাক্ষিক শান্তি চুক্তি সম্পন্ন করে ত্রিপুরায় স্বাভাবিক